Scott Jackson, UF-IFAS Extension Bay County here. I'm going to walk you through the registration process for the Scallop Sitters program this year. So if you'll visit our Panhandle Outdoors page on the Northwest District site, and if you'll search for the article that we wrote about the Scallop Sitters program, and you can also find these links in your email or online in a variety of places. I'll go ahead and highlight this part. So hit the read more area. And that takes us to the article that we have the links embedded on. So we'll scroll down past where it says, you are invited to become a scallop sitter, and we'll choose Bay County one. Just as an example, you choose the one that's in your county and appropriate for where you live. And you'll be taken to this new registration system that we have. It's from University of Florida. It's a PACE software called Events. And so you'll need to log in first. And if you've never logged in, then you'll have to also set up an account. So we'll go ahead and click the login button. It's located here in green. And then we'll come down to this section here where it says register as a new local user. You'll need to put in your email address. You'll also need to create a username. Select a password. Your first name, last name, and then in this section, you'll put in your address, and these are predetermined for you. You just click the one that's appropriate for where your home is. Then come down and provide us with at least one phone number, please. We're going to use our work number here for this demonstration. And then the other information you can fill out later when you have more time. The only thing you have to do is click this one box right here that confirms that you're over 18, and then you are in the system. Now that gets you into the system. It does not complete your registration, and that has been some confusion for some folks, and I understand. So what we're going to do is actually come back up into the system, go to Browse Events, click there. And after you do Browse Events, you can actually do a search, and we'll search for scallops. And in this case, you'll see the 3 events that we have available. You'll want to come down to where it says Add to Cart. Click there on Add to Cart. And we'll go ahead and add this to cart. And then it says that we are in, our cart has an item in there. So we're going to go to Show Cart. So we have a few more steps to complete before we're actually registered. And so the final step is to actually click right here where it says Checkout. And you hit click Checkout. You are offered an option to add this event to your calendar. But if you look at your account over on the side, you can see the things that you're registered for. And if I click on there, you can see we're registered for the Scallop Sitter Volunteer Program in Bay County now. So those are the steps. If you have any questions or need additional help, please call our office and we'll be happy to walk you through those and help you out any way we can. 850-784-6105 is our office number. Again, that's 850-784-6105, and we can help you with Gulf and Franklin and Bay counties. Thanks so much, and thank you for being a Scallop Sitter this year.